Meaning of hatchway.
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 Hatchway. A hatchway is an opening or entrance, typically in the floor or ceiling of a ship or building, that provides access to the lower decks or levels. It can also refer to a small door or window in a roof or ceiling. Hatchways are often used for ventilation and provide a means of escape in case of emergency. They can be found in various sizes and shapes, depending on their location and purpose. Overall, hatchways serve as important components of safe and functional architecture, especially in naval and construction industries.